Today's dark pool flow gave us clear signals across all three major indexes. Starting with SPY, the largest level continues to sit at 659 with over 6.5 billion traded. That line remains the most important zone to watch. We also saw heavy liquidity stacking near 663, along with new prints added at 661.19 and 661.20. Options leaned bearish, with puts outweighing calls, and the call-to-put premium ratio under 1. That tells us institutions are still hedging downside into the week. Next is QQQ. The biggest dark pool activity remains clustered at 599 and 598, where more than $1 billion of flow sits. A new level came in at 595.60, highlighted in cyan on the chart. Unlike SPY, QQQ leaned bullish, with calls more than doubling the premium of puts. Short-term contracts around 600 were the most active, suggesting traders expect support to hold. For IWM, small caps again showed the strongest activity. The $4.8 billion level at 242.91 stands out as the single biggest block. That zone is backed by $1.8 billion at 242.98, plus a new print at 241.60 worth nearly $1 billion. Options also leaned bullish, with a call-to-put premium ratio over 2. That means traders are positioning for upside in small caps. Finally, let's look at unusual options flow with expiries under 2 weeks. The top 5 names were MicroStrategy, BMNR, Opendoor, Broadcom, and PLTR. MicroStrategy led the list with more than $10 million in premium across 33,000 contracts expiring in 9 days. Opendoor showed nearly 90,000 contracts, also expiring in under 2 weeks. These setups highlight where short-term speculative money is flowing. Overall, today's flow shows SPY still heavy with downside hedging, while QQQ and IWM lean more bullish. And in the single stock space, short-dated action is building in names like MSTR and Open. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for daily updates.